Hello everybody, it's Elle, back with another Cisco networking video. So I completed the rest of 3.2.2, which is all about different types of protocols with like TCP, IP, HTTP, Ethernet, things like that. We had to sort them into what kind of protocols they are. We did an activity on that. We just went a lot more in depth into the different specific protocols. If you click here, you can see all of these specific protocols right here, and all of the different things that they are about, the different layers of network they're on. So that's really cool. And I got to 3.2.3. Which is about standard organization, stuff like that. This was like the last one, a lot more of in depth into the standard. So it talked about like specific things like TIA. All of these, if you click on them, will send you to the website of the communication line that they go to. Talked about a couple more abbreviations for like ICA, NN, IAB, things like that. We went into the different groups that they're in, and then we finally got to my first lab. So over here I have it pulled up. This was a big researching networks lab. So in the first part you had to research networks. The second part you had to reflect on what you research in like the internet and stuff like that. So I went through and I had to learn about who Jonathan B. Postel was. He was a computer scientist. He helped develop the internet. I learned about a bunch of different I learned more about a bunch of different abbreviations. I used some of my knowledge from the ones that I just went through to answer questions about like what is the root DNS, and I had to do stuff with different ports and stuff. I learned about more people like Tim Berners-Lee, who was the founder of the World Wide Web. Consortium. So, like I said, learned a lot more about different abbreviations, different organizations that do things inside of networking, where they're located and stuff. And then the final one, I had to reflect on internet standards, the problems we could have if we didn't have certain organizations, if we didn't have certain protocols in place, like common protocols that everybody knows about, and how that could mess with communication between people, stuff like that. So I was glad that I got to do my first lab. It was fun. So yeah, now I'm on to 3.3, which is going to be data and transfer network, and then just the summary. And then I'll be done with chapter 3, and I'll be on to chapter 4. So, happy about that. Like usual, you can go to my website and stuff for previous videos. Go to my YouTube channel for previous videos. Check out more about me on my Wix website, the different classes that I take, my different hobbies, just some of the academic achievements I've gotten, and just learn about me as a person, who I am. So, hope you have a great rest of your day. See ya.